Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Diablo Immortal on PC. First, you will need to ensure your computer meets the game system requirements, which are readily available online. Diablo Immortal is officially supported on PC through Blizzard's Battle.net platform. Having a stable internet connection is also incredibly important for a seamless and enjoyable experience as you delve into the world of Sanctuary. This ensures you avoid any frustrating lag or disconnections during your adventures. Next, you will need to download and install the Battle.net desktop application onto your computer. Once installed, open the application and either log in using your existing Battle.net account credentials or create a brand new account if you do not have one. After logging in, simply navigate to the Diablo Immortal game page within the Battle.net launcher and click the Install button to start the download and installation process. Once Diablo Immortal has finished installing, you can launch the game directly from the Battle.net application. Upon first launching, take some time to explore the in-game settings. You can customize your graphics options to optimize performance and visual quality. Additionally, you can adjust your keybinds for keyboard and mouse, or configure your preferred controller, ensuring a comfortable and personalized gameplay experience tailored to your preferences. To further enhance your Diablo Immortal PC experience, consider a few tips. Using a dedicated gaming mouse can offer greater precision and responsiveness, which is beneficial in fast-paced combat. For the most stable connection, a wired internet connection is generally superior to Wi-Fi, minimizing latency. Don't forget to delve into the advanced in-game settings. There are often many options to fine-tune your performance and visual fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.